Okay, let's talk about a little impeachment. Something that actually has been a little more newsworthy in the last couple of months. Impeachment can happen to not only the president, as we've seen, most frequently it happens with federal judges, but it also could happen with members of Congress. It's happened all of those. Impeachment occurs according to the Constitution for violating high crimes and misdemeanors, meaning it's something the president's done wrong. Impeachment does not mean removing from office. This is the number one mistake that it seems like I see every year. Impeachment doesn't mean that person's going to leave office. Impeachment is just a formal accusation that somebody has committed wrongdoing. It is a great example of checks and balances to hold politicians accountable. Now, Congress is the one that carries out this idea of impeachment. So that's what usually people think about it in regards to the president and then judges. But again, they can impeach each other. That's very, very, very possible. Impeachment occurs in the House of Representatives. Constitution gives them the power for impeachment. And again, that means they're accusing somebody of doing something wrong. In 2020, just recently, 2019 and 2020, the House of Representatives impeached President Trump. That didn't mean it kicked him out of office. It was an accusation that he had done something wrong. They had investigated, they had hearings, and then they determined by a vote in the House that they felt they could bring about articles of impeachment. Now, if you want to remove a president, there's the second step. The other House of Congress, the Senate, has to have a trial for removal, or they can have a quick vote, hence down here, trial or vote. In the case of Trump, they never really had a trial. They just had a vote. They determined among the Senate that they didn't think there was anything to the charges, and they did not choose to remove him from office. In the 90s, when Bill Clinton was impeached, they did have a trial. The Chief Justice is the one who serves as the kind of big judge for the trial, and it's just like a regular trial. You could call witnesses, submit evidence in order to have impeachment. Bill Clinton did not get removed from office. He was impeached, but not removed from office. They did punish him in certain ways. They took away his law license, and I forget what else they did to him, but they were pretty much slaps on the wrists. But they did not remove him from office. So that's kind of the impeachment. It's a two-pronged process that is done by both houses of Congress. And like I said, it's a great example of checks and balances, and can be done in anybody within the three branches of government. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And I will see you soon.